Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 most beautiful castles in France. Number 5, Chateau Gaillard. Perched on a hill overlooking the Seine and the city of Les Andelys, the Chateau Gaillard is one of the prettiest sites in picturesque Upper Normandy. Richard the Lionheart built the castle between 1196 and 1198, but despite its concentric fortification and deadly machicolations, the fortress was taken by Philip II of France just 6 years later. Chateau Gaillard continued to change hands between the English and French until it was ordered destroyed by Henry IV of France in 1599. The thick castle walls resisted destruction, however, and the citadel remains an impressive sight. Most of the castle's ruins are open to the public year-round. Number 4, Chateau de Vincennes. Located in the Paris suburb of Vincennes, the Chateau de Vincennes began life as a hunting lodge for Louis VII. The site was improved during the 14th century with a heavily fortified keep, and a rectangular-shaped outer wall was added in the 15th century. A wide moat and 2 drawbridges helped secure the keep, which served as a royal residence until the mid-1600s. In 1860, Napoleon III gave the chateau and the nearby Bois de Vincennes to Paris for use as a public park. Number 3, Chateau de Saumur. Standing tall on a fortified hill overlooking the city and river below, the Chateau de Saumur is one of the most beautiful of the castles situated along France's longest river, the Loire. With its octagonal corner towers and mullioned windows, the chateau looks as if it's been lifted out of a fairy tale, making it an ideal destination for families. Originally built as a fortress in the 10th century, the chateau achieved its light and elegant look in the late 12th century when it was rebuilt by Henry II of England. Number 2, Palais des Papes. Located in Avignon in southern France, the Palace of the Popes is considered one of the most important medieval structures in Europe. Construction of the convent began on this site in 1252, and in 1309, it became the seat of the papacy when Rome rebelled against the election on Pope Clement V. The Palais remained the center of Western Christianity throughout the 14th century. Attracting around 650,000 visitors a year, the fortress is Europe's biggest Gothic building and is one of France's top 10 tourist attractions. Number 1, Cite de Carcassonne. Perhaps more of a fortified town rather than a castle, the Cite de Carcassonne is one of the country's oldest and most impressive fortifications. Due to its position on the historical routes across southern France, the location has been occupied for more than 5,000 years. Sections of the citadel's walls date back to the heyday of the Roman Empire, and Visigoths occupied the structure during the 5th century. The castle's successive rulers continued to improve the fortress until the 17th century when it began to fall into decay. A 19th century restoration project of the site turned Carcassonne into a popular tourist destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.